Hello, my name is Per Jansson and I'm the CEO of Comptech Reocasting AB. We produce equipment and technology for the foundry industry, making existing high-pressure die casting foundries also to become semi-solid casters through Comptech Reocasting process. The foundry was founded in 1971 by my grandfather as a subcontracting company. And today we are an OEM producer of equipment for the foundry industry. So it is a big change in business scope, I would say.
Hi, I'm Emil Hedlund. I work as an R&D engineer at Comptech AB in Sweden. I'm responsible of our equipment design, and also I help customers do layout works in their factories to implement our machinery. 3DEXPERIENCE works has really helped us when we do large designs. Now we can collaborate in the same design simultaneously. Before we used 3DEXPERIENCE works, we had a lot of problems with revision control and misplaced files in our file catalogs. 3DEXPERIENCE works have really helped us in saving times searching for files that earlier was misplaced, that has to be redrawn for existing history.
We believe that the use of more environmental friendly alloys are going to increase. One key takeaways for this to happen is the silicon content inside the alloys. So all in all factors point that using semi-solid casting is a more sustainable way of producing the future's product. So semi-solid casting, I believe, is the future for the high-pressure die casting community to move on to. We are at the forefront of the technology. We need to have suppliers that are at the forefront of technology. Wheels are turning faster and faster. We see the use of AI. I think AI is something that's going to have a big impact in our industry, and we need to adapt our product to live in that future society, and we need suppliers that follow that strategy. We are supporting our customers from their very start by selecting the material. We help them by designing the casting systems. We can provide trial castings here in Skillingaryd, and basically from ID to the first castings in their hands, so to say. And well, a full one-stop shop, if you say like that. One thing for sure, we need to make more parts at shorter times, and I think we need suppliers that support this strategy to us. And I think that SolidEngineer is one of the companies that can help us grow.